look is going to be Blackpink's Jisoo from their latest music video, DDU-DU, and I really liked her bright pink makeup look, so I decided to recreate it. This is also a collaboration with one of my closest YouTube friends, Malina aka YEON, and she's going to be doing Lisa's makeup from the MV, so be sure to check her out as well. So I already did my eyebrows and base makeup off camera, so I'm just going to hop right into the eyeshadow. Starting off with this white color, I'm going to be putting that all over my lid. Just a loser, next, I'm going to be using a light pink eyeshadow and putting that all over my crease. And you don't have to be too meticulous with the blending since we are going to be putting more colors over top of it. And with a smaller eyeshadow brush, I just put that same shade onto my lower lash line. Going back into that same Makeup Revolution palette, I'm going to be taking a brighter pink and putting that on the outer and inner corners of my eyes, kind of making a halo eye. And it's better if you build up the color gradually rather than putting it on all at once, since it'll be easier to clean up if you do make a mistake. I'm going to be taking that same color onto my lower lash line and kind of blending it onto my inner corners. Going in with that same pink shade, I'm going to be mixing it with a bit more of a berry red color and placing that back onto my inner and outer corners. And this time I'm going to be using a smaller and denser brush just to pack in the pigmentation better and also focus the shadows right onto the areas that I want it to be in. I also focus those same pink shades onto my lower lash line as well as my inner corners. Using a fluffier brush now, I'm going to be blending out all the shadows that I just put on. And don't forget to blend out your lower lash line as well. Now I'm going to be placing a rose gold shade onto the center of my lids using my finger. I'm going to be blending that shade out and then going in with a smaller brush. I'm going to be using that same shade and putting that onto my lash line. Now using those same two pink shades from earlier, I'm going to be placing them back onto the same areas that I did. And this will help to bring back the intensity of the color since it kind of got lost with the lighter rose gold shade that I used earlier. Using a brown eye pencil, I'm going to be tightlining my eyes, and oh my god, I look so weird when I tightline. I know, just ignore that. Now into liquid liner, I'm going to be using this black eyeliner pen, and I'm just going to be lining my eyes. And I noticed that Jisoo's eyeliner wasn't too intense, so don't go too bold on the eyeliner and just wing it out a little bit. So I'm going to be going out with a straight wing rather than a more cat eye shape, just to kind of get that puppy eye type of look. Now I'm going to be using a bright fuchsia color and placing that onto my lower inner corners and also just kind of cleaning up the lower lash line. And I'm also going to be taking that onto my lid and blending in between the rose gold color and the two pink shades from earlier, just so that the blend is a lot cleaner. And as you can see, I'm using a really small brush. This is actually a concealer brush, but I like using it for eyeshadow. Now into glitter, I'm going to be using this pink glitter from ARITAUM and placing that onto the center of my lid using my ring finger. And I'm also going to be placing that onto the center of my lower lash line as well. Going in with another glitter, I'm going to be using this Too Cool for School one, and this kind of has more of a liquid eyeshadow type of feel to it. I'm just going to be using a small brush and placing that onto the center and lower lash line. Now onto lashes, I'm going to be first curling my lashes and then using the L'Oreal Miss Manga mascara, and I actually really like this. It makes my eyelashes look nice and fluffy and not crusty and spidery looking, so that's good. I don't really like the wand. It's really wiggly for some reason, and the bristles are kind of weird. Like, it's pretty big for my eyes because my eyes are quite small, so that's all I gotta say. Now hold up, we gotta put on lip balm because we don't want that crusty type of lip look. And yeah, that was Laquan from 101. He's so cute. So back onto the face makeup, I'm going to be contouring my face using the Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer. And I'm just going to be contouring the outer perimeters of my face, and I'm not going to like go full on and like carve out some cheekbones and stuff like that. I'm just trying to make my face look slimmer, I guess, since mine's pretty round. And onto nose contour. I actually spent a long time on contouring my nose because I wanted to get a similar type of nose as Jisoo's. I don't even know. I was going all out on the nose contour though. For blush, I'm just going to be putting on a light pink and putting that onto the apples of my cheeks. Now onto highlighter, I'm going to be using the Dandelion highlighter from Benefit, and I really like this because it doesn't give a super intense highlight. Instead, it gives more of a natural like inner glow. So I'm just going to be highlighting my nose bridge, Cupid's bow, and also my cheekbones, and I didn't put on too much. And before moving on to lip makeup, I'm going to be concealing my lips and blending that all out with a Real Technique sponge. I'm first going to be using the ColourPop Lippie stick in the color Topanga. And then I went in with a lip brush just to make sure that the lines are crisp and that everything looks smooth, because I really suck at applying lipstick, TBH. Now I'm going to be using this Innisfree lipstick, and I'm just going to be patting that onto the lips. This lipstick has more of a mauve-y tone to it, so this will just help to tone down the coral color from the ColourPop lipstick. And then I went in with a concealer brush with some concealer on it, obviously, just to clean up my lip shape. So this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I had a lot of fun filming this makeup tutorial for you guys. Also, don't forget to check out Malina's channel and subscribe to her as well, because she's super cool and super nice and super sweet. I love her. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you guys want to see more of my videos, and I'll see you guys next time.